Where are we going today?
Sticky Waterfall called Bua Tong.
Bua Tong.
Tell us about Sticky Waterfall.
It's apparently a waterfall you can climb. Apparently, it feels porous, so you can climb up a waterfall. Have you ever climbed up a waterfall before?
Nope.
Me neither. I heard some parts it could be prickly on your feet.
Ugh. Are we walking barefoot up there?
Yep.
Oh no, barefoot. Okay, let's go get food. Matt said these were good, like the ham and something and tuna.
You want ham and cheese? I want tuna melt.
Onion pork with chili paste. I don't know about that. I'll take a ham and cheese.
I'll try a sausage and cheese.
Okay. And ask them to heat them up.
Yeah, heat them up for us.
We're trying out these sandwiches based off of the recommendations of our friends. We're excited to try this. Ham and cheese.
Sausage and cheese. It's already like that. Very good. Try yours.
The bread is like airy and toasty.
Did you take any photos while I was riding?
I tried to. But I tried to record while you were on the highway, but this thing looked like it was going to fly away. I was like, I don't want to get yelled at today. So we made it. We're at Bua Tong Waterfall.
Look at these fish.
It's a pink dragonfly.
Oh, what is the orange one right there?
Orange what? Look at that huge ass catfish.
Oh, damn. Oh, there's koi fish in here too. Alright, we made it.
Okay, we made it.
Back to our vlogging.
Made it. It was like an hour ride on a scooter.
We were going 100 kilometers an hour. I don't know how much that is in miles, but it felt really fast.
Yeah. But we made it here safely. Saw a lot of cool stuff on the way, but nothing's as cool as this right now. We saw some pink dragonflies. I think I have a thing for dragonflies now. We saw a black and white one the other day.
Oh, so you walk down and then you climb the waterfall up? Alright, apparently there's floors to the waterfall. So we're gonna go down to floor 3 or whatever, the lowest floor, and then make our way up. So I think that's what people are doing. Hope I don't bust my ass.
Whoa.
Whatever, we're gonna wash our feet on the waterfall anyway. Embrace it. Embrace it.
Get on my feet.
It's doodle, baby.
Woo! Get it everywhere.
Alright, we're here. Beware of falling branches. What the f?
Oh wow.
Alright, so let's climb up this thing. The water running down that thing?
That was fun.
Bring it back to us. Now we can see.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
They're cutting class. They're definitely cutting class. Are you good?
I think so.
Some blue ass water. Oh, butterfly. Hello, butterfly. You're on my foot, butterfly. See, there's a butterfly on my foot.
Is it? Oh, wow. That's cool.
Hey, what's up?
Alright, let's get water from the deep end. Here, bless yourself.
Wait, don't.
Bless yourself and the butterfly.
No, it's gonna die. All right, butterfly, your stay is. All right, I guess you can just hang on my foot if you'd like. All right. Oh, bless you.
Yeah, bless me. Just like sprinkle that shit on me.
Holy. What? Can I
Oh,
get you?
yeah, I'm feeling something.
Why are you getting healed right now? Do you want me to just dump the whole thing on your head?
No. How about I dump the whole thing on your head?
No. No, I don't want the butterfly to die. So we stumble across this pond that's supposed to be blue, or that is blue. And it's supposed to be holy and healing.
So we blessed ourselves and healed ourselves by sprinkling water on ourselves.
Yes, and there's fish in there, but you can't swim. It's probably to preserve blueness and its
Pink dragonflies everywhere.
and its natural beauty. But yeah, there's a ton of pink dragonflies here, which I've never seen before, and really colorful butterflies, which is amazing. Found a butterfly friend, but somebody almost killed it.
No? Not me.
So we're going back to the sticky waterfall to play in the water.